Welcome back to our channel. Now we have the last question. I'm happy. Okay, for paper 2, question 10. Okay, 10a. Okay, in Bohr's model, the hydrogen atom has quantized angular momentum, unlike the effects this has on the electron energy. Fairly simple. So it makes the electron energy also quantized. Yeah, also quantized. Okay, takes on particular values only, also quantized. Okay, next one. Okay, for the hydrogen atom with the orbital radius, okay, n equal to is 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Okay, so then n equal 1 of determine the ratio of v2 over v1 of the electron speed, the n equal to n equal 1. So look at here. So we talk about v, so we change this equation subject to v, so v equals nh over 2 pi mr. So v is proportional to n over r. So now the ratio is 2 to 1. So v2 over v1 equals, okay, n2 over 1 times 1 over r. So it's r1 over r2. And it said that r2 is 4 times. So it's 2 times 1 over 4. So it's 1 over 2. So the ratio is 1 over 2. Okay, next one. Okay. Part B is another type of question. Is about some concept. Okay, let me change back to the pen first. Okay, compared to the Bohr model and the more advanced wave function model, what is the difference? Okay, by Bohr model is definitely the radius takes on some values by Bohr model or Bohr predicts the radius has a definite values. If we find the radius, it must give you definite values. Okay, quantize the values. But by the wave function model, wave function you mean by is a probability, right? Wave function predicts that you have a probability to find the radius in surrounding or near to the definite values, but with different properties. So wave function predicts radius can have a continuous value, we can say can have different continuous value. Continuous is important with different probability. Yeah, you stress on the probability, continuous values, and it will be excellent with a different probability. Of course, the most popular one is the Bohr's predictor one, right? With different probability. Probability is important, okay? Wave function is a probabilistic model, okay? So that is the difference between these two predictions. One Bohr is definite values R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wave function is around R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the difference can allow the continuously with different probability. Okay. If you like our channels, remember like and subscribe and share with your friends. Okay. We want to share our information to more people. Thank you.